Make the screening process go smoother. I need you all to back away from the gate at this time, please.
Let us sing! 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 Let us sing!
Hey, you're gonna have back change and more up there, so sound as you go. Huh? Back 10 people, alright?
AirPods. Let me take shit out first.
Do you have anything on you that you have? No. You want pregnant? This ain't it.
I want my dog.
Close it.
Late last night. And by approved, I mean we put in all the documents. Like MUX, AIT, and CertX. Whenever we do it, it's like combined XCON. Everything else. Yeah, the bottom part.